Yeah guys, today I'm going to use these AutoBoo Viper blades on my Kia Sportage 2023. Of course AutoBoo is producing Viper blades for a lot of different cars, but here I'm focusing on the Kia Sportage 2023. What's special here with the Kia is that we cannot lift the Viper blade a lot up, but it's actually not needed. We can just lift it a little bit here from the windshield. And so here we have to push the unlock tab from underneath. So we have to pull down the plastic actually a little bit to get access with one finger from underneath. I suggest to use the smallest finger here, and then you have to grab and feel where there's a little bit of a tap, and then when you push it up you can use your other hand and pull it back, so like that, and then you should be able to remove. Be careful with this part, don't let it snap against your windshield. And so let's see what we got here. By the way, this is not a sponsored product, I paid full price, it comes with a user guide, but I think it's not needed. And so we have a long one and a short one. The short one we are going to use over there, and so we are removing this one here. Looks really super fancy, and so I think this AutoBoo system is much easier than the original Kia. So you can just lift this up here, you can see, grab here underneath, lift this up, and then we align it again, push it here inside, pull it to the other end, and now we can secure it here. Oh man, that's much easier than the original system. I don't know why Kia is using such a complicated system when AutoBoo has such a much easier solution. And same thing with the small Viper blade, there's just a small tab here underneath. We push this up and then push the Viper blade to the other side, and then we can lift it up. Now here we can see this tab a little bit better. And so we do same preparation here. You can see when you lift it up here a little bit on this side, you can just pull this part here to the front. And now when it's fully open, super easy to add here. Push it inside and pull it towards you. And so you can easily lock it. That's it. And now of course time to slide out the protection and time to test it. Oh wow, that's so awesome. You can see that. Absolutely no smearing, no streaks, no nothing. Absolutely 100% perfectly clear. Yeah, definitely love these AutoBoo Viper blades.